Hello there. So we're going to learn how we can easily create projects on the internet computer. What's the first step? You will go to icp.ninja. Once you are in icp.ninja, you will check out the available projects that you can fork from. So if you'd like to create an AI project, we have the LLM chatbot. If you'd like to create a chain fusion project, we have the EVM block explorer and many other projects that you can fork from. So the first thing that you'll do is you will click on create. If you're creating a new project from scratch, you will select the project type that you'd like to create, either full stack, backend only, or front-end only. So in our case, since we are going with a fully on-chain application, we will do full stack. I will select my backend language. Since I am a big fan of Rust, I will select Rust. I will click on create project. Once it's been created, the easiest way to deploy my project is just to click on the run canister button that's on the top right section of ICP Ninja. So my project will build and it will deploy my canisters on mainnet, but the link will only be available for 1 hour. So we will give it a few seconds, around 30 seconds to 1 minute, for it to build and deploy everything. So once your project has built, you can directly access it from the URLs provided. We have the backend link and the front-end link. So if I click on the front-end link, I can easily input my name, because this is a simple hello name project. So I will write over there Steve and I will click on it. And I can see my project is working. So you might be wondering, okay, how can I do this locally? When you'd like to create your project locally, the first step to do is to ensure that you have all the necessary environment requirements installed. These include DFX, Rust, and Node. Once you have installed everything, the first step is to type DFX new and writing my project name. So I will do WHCL I will select my preferred backend language. In my case, I'll select Rust. Then I will select my preferred front-end framework. In my case, I will select React. I will click enter and give it at least 30 seconds to 1 minute for everything to compile and my project to be set up locally. So you'd want to go local. In order to go local, there are few environment requirements that you have to have installed in your machine. The first one is DFX, the second one is Rust, and the third one is Node.js. So once you set up everything, the first step to get started is writing DFX new and the project name. So I will do DFX new World Computer Hacker League 1. I will select my preferred backend language, of which in my case it is Rust, and my preferred front-end framework, of which in my case is React. I will click enter and give it around 30 seconds to 1 minute for everything to compile and my project template to be ready. So once it's ready, I will cd into W's World Computer Hacker League 1, and the first thing that I will do is I will start DFX. So I will do DFX start. So this process will start the local replica of DFX in my machine. Then I will do DFX deploy. It will compile both canisters, frontend and backend, and deploy them locally. So once everything is compiled and deployed, I can easily access it from the provided links. So we will check out the front-end link. I will copy it, then go back to my browser and paste it. And I can test it out by inserting my name. And voila, that's how you quickly get started with building projects on Internet Computer.
Welcome to the World Computer Hacker League. Welcome to the World Computer Hacker League.
Welcome to the World Computer Hacker League.
Welcome to the World Computer Hacker League.